Hey folks, welcome back to another video. In one of my previous videos, I'd shown you how we can use the Gemini Pro Vision Model inside of Google AI Studio to interact with images, pass images inside of prompts and get a response. In this video, we're going to be doing something similar where I'm going to be making a marketing description or maybe a marketing description writer inside of Google AI Studio where I give it a few prompts that shows what the model exactly has to do, where I give it an image, I give it a targeted audience that I want to put the marketing campaign towards, and a short description about it. And to test whether it's able to do the same, we'll be doing something. We'll be passing an image with the target audience and we expect it to generate a marketing description for it. So let's just check that out and let's see how we're going to be doing this. But before that, if you go on to ai.google.dev/model/Gemini, you can see all the latest Gemini models that have come out and all the latest updates around generative AI for Google and all the Gemini Pro models, the AI Studio, Vertex AI, and more. Talking about Vertex AI, you have a button here that says Build with Vertex AI on Google Cloud. In my upcoming videos, I'll be talking about Vertex AI on Google Cloud and how you can build chat prompts on those, how you can build any sort of prompts and just work on Vertex AI instead of Google Cloud. So I'm going to be starting off by clicking on create new, and I'll be creating a new structured prompt here, and I'm going to just give this a name saying marketing description writer, and I'm going to click on save. And for this part of the prompt, I'm going to be giving it some instructions that says given an image of a product and its target audience, write an engaging marketing description. So this is the instructions that I am giving the model here, and after this I'm going to be specifying the inputs. That is going to be starting off with product image, that's the first one, and the output for this one is going to be this, that is going to be marketing description to marketing description. Now I have to add another input, right? I have to give it an image as well as a target audience. I'm going to go to actions, I'm going to click on add input column, and here's my input too. Now here I'm going to be writing target audience. So now that we have this cleared, we have our column names fixed. Let's just go and make the biggest change that we have to do is change the model. You can see all the new models that are available, but we have to click on the Gemini 1.0 Pro Vision Model. So now you can see at the top you have an insert image button here for you. So I'm going to be starting off by putting in one image of a car. I'm going to be pasting that here. And the target audience is going to be maybe Gen Z or young men. And in the marketing description, I'm going to be putting something like this, that's introducing the epitome of power. You can put any marketing description that you want there. After that, I'm going to be marketing a black cycle here, that's going to be there, and I'm going to be, it's an eco-friendly cycle, so the target audience would be environmentalists and youngsters. And the model's response, according to me, should look something like this, where I pass it a description here also. So now it will be able to understand what will the model be given, that is the product image and the target audience, and what it is expected to do is create a marketing description for it. Now that we have our, you can have n number of examples, right? But for this particular example, I'm going to be keeping only 2 examples. And to test whether this model works well, I'm going to be putting a photo of a shoe here, a sports shoe. And my target audience for this would be athletes, of course. And now I want to see whether it will be able to generate a marketing description for me. Now you can even go to the preview, you can see what the prompt exactly looks like. This is the instruction, this is the first image, this is the product image and the target audience and the marketing description here. And that's same for all the images, and this is the product input, that is the input you're giving to test your prompt. So you can see the token count here. Now on this side you can adjust the temperature, how exact and how do you want it to be very precise, do you want it to be very vague. You can adjust the temperature accordingly. There are other safety settings that you can adjust according to your requirements, and in the advanced settings you have output length, the top K and top P. Now what is top K and top P? I'll be creating a in-depth video talking about these two parameters and all the parameters that basically go into making your prompt more better and getting more accurate results. So stay tuned for that video. Now that we have our product image, the target audience and the marketing description ready, I think it's good to go ahead and we can go ahead and click on run. You can either generate a response from here or just click on run here or just do a command or control enter according to your Mac or Windows. We'll go ahead and click on run. And you can see in exactly few seconds it has created a proper marketing description that says elevate your performance and conquer every challenge, and it goes on. So this is how basically we can build your own marketing description creator. Now what do you do ahead with this? How do you integrate this into your solutions, or where can you actually use this? You can do that by getting the code here. You can get your API key for the project, and in your desired language you can have it in Android too. So according to your requirements, you have to go ahead and copy the code from here. You can see to replace the API key, and to create your API key, it's the same steps that we had done before. You go to your get API key and you create a new API key that is connected to a project on your Google Cloud Console. So this is how basically we have built a marketing description writer using the Gemini Pro Vision Model inside of Google AI Studio. I'll be leaving some links in the description regarding the Gemini Pro Vision Model and the previous video that I created on Gemini Vision Pro Model. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and for more content hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.